We hope you're having a good day.
Yes, it's a lifelong struggle for some, and for many women, their lives are fought battling their weight.
And when it comes to diets and exercising, what works and what doesn't work?
Yeah, well, you can find out next Thursday. Terri Lauer and Lauer Carter of the Wood County Hospital have an invitation for you. Good morning, ladies. Thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
So this is wonderful. It's part of a series, and next Thursday, you all are focusing on, struggles with women's weight loss, correct?
Absolutely.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about this event.
Positively Pink was designed at Wood County Hospital about 7 years ago. And with COVID, we've gone on a hiatus for a while, so we're bringing it back live. But this is an opportunity for women to understand a little bit more about the health issues that they most likely will develop as we age. Women are always the last ones to take care of themselves. We put our lives on the back burner. We're not taking care of ourselves because we're busy with the kids, grandkids, and significant others. So it's a great opportunity to educate them on health issues that they will face, and if we can be proactive and help them and give them the tools and resources they need early, then we can prevent some of those diseases from happening.
Yeah, so, when people come to you, so you're a certified nurse practitioner, correct?
Yes.
Women, when they come to you in particular, what is like their number one thing, like that their struggles or challenges that are in front of them that keep them from, achieving that?
Achieving weight loss? Mm-hmm. The biggest thing is, we focus on the things you can control with diet and exercise, and the biggest thing is time. Finding that time.
Who has that?
We're always busy. No one has time, right? It's the finding the time. We focus on the diet, the exercise, and then the thing that people forget, mental health, sleep, making sure if you don't sleep well enough, you're not going to lose weight and you're not going to just achieve that weight loss goal. Mm-hmm. And then we will focus on things that you can't control, like gender, females, right?
Yes.
Aging can slow things down. Menopause, or as we get older, things like that. Martha Gonzalez, the dietitian running the program, will go into things you can control and you can't control.
Okay.
So
it's not all, oh, I've got to do this, or some things are out of your control, and that's okay. But we can work on that.
Because I was even thinking, so you and your partner, you're doing this, and he lost all this weight, and I'm sitting here and I've only lost 2 pounds.
Yeah. Always happens.
Yeah, and that's something that we can't control, and we don't want to, blame ourselves for that. So we'll kind of learn how to handle that challenge too at this event, right?
Yeah, and then the Center for Weight Loss, we give surgical weight loss options and non-surgical weight loss options. We have the obesity medicine program, the START program, where we'll provide that support, that accountability with total body, mind, and assess each patient, give that individual assessment. And when you're ready, you have that mindset, you're ready to go. We're there to help you transform your life and your well-being.
You mentioned time. Nobody really has it, but it is important that you make it.
That prioritizing your time. Everyone has it. It just depends what they do with it is the biggest thing.
And I think especially when you get to that, 30s, 40s, as you mentioned, kids are, man, they take all our time.
They do, right?
So I find that I'm squeezing, a walk-in on my lunch break, or, so do you talk about different ways that you can, carve out those times?
Kids, right? My kids, they watch me work out. They watch me. They're part of it. They have their light dumbbells. They do what they can. They know that's my time. That's my self-care. Mm-hmm. So they watch me be healthy to better myself. So most of it's done when they're sleeping and not awake, because it's much easier. But when I can't get that in, incorporating that in. And of course, I have to hit pause and take care of snacks, potties, everything, just like anybody else. But it's what you do with your time and showing your kids, your family, that that's important to you. Everyone can carve out that time.
And that'll be important.
Also at this event, there's some fun things. I saw there's maybe door prizes, refreshments.
Absolutely.
Kind of highlight those too.
Yes. Well, the event, the speaker, Martha Gonzalez, will be our registered dietitian who will be giving the event, and that starts at 7. But starting at 6:30, we will be having the social time. So we will have refreshments. We will have a door prize, so we can't tell what it's going to be, so you have to come and check it out. But we'll also have some vendors in the back. We'll have a blood pressure screening and lots of education information.
I love the little social time too.
Oh, it's important.
We can all get our gripes out there, and someone, a listening ear who will understand, exactly what we're going through.
And remind us when and where this is.
Okay, it is at Wood County Hospital in the meeting rooms, and that's 950 West Wooster Street in Bowling Green. And it will begin at 7 p.m. and come and enjoy yourselves and have a great time.
Do you have to register ahead of time?
Yes, we do ask that so we have enough spots for everyone. So they can go to the hospital website at www.woodcountyhospital.org to get more information about the Center for Weight Loss Surgery as well as these programs. But to register, they can call 419-354-8887.
You got it. We got it on the screen too.
You got it. And they can either email at wellness@woodcountyhospital.org.
Very good.
So.
Ladies, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you for having us.
Appreciate it.